Hello lovely people, welcome to Glory Victor TV. Please, if today is your first time coming across Glory Victor TV, please subscribe and press the notification bell so that whenever I upload a video, you will be notified. God bless you all in Jesus' name. Amen. Today video now wetin I wan really talk about now wetin madam them they do to their house maid. Like, not really fair, cause no matter how anything, like no matter how when a pikin go do reach, like if na your own pikin when you born with your belly, you not fit do that kind of thing to her. Really, I come across one picture like that. They sent me the picture, but they did not send me the video. Even they sent me the video, I would not like to put video like that in my listing to have copyright because I'm not yet monetized. This madam cut off this girl's hand, kind of. And what the guy go do when the madam go cut off his hand? Cause this life, now what you do, as in, you think say what you will fit do another person, what you will fit do your picking, well another person picking, cause you don't take and say this person dey my house. You go see take and say na your picking, cause you say na another person picking, he dey your house. You don't talk to slave. Like my own experience, although I'll be saying it in another video, I go dey talk how me stay my sister house from Edo State. I'm from Agbo. I'm from Agbo, Delta State. I'm from Abavo. I'm from Agbo Kengo, Abavo Kengo, Delta State, Agbo. Abavo Kengo. This my auntie. When my papa they alive, when my father was alive, she can't see the way when I say they do house chores and everything, the way I tell the help out. She say she's a teacher, it's my mommy's sister. Not be saying at the same mama, born out with my mama, but na my mama sister. Anyway, she can't say make me come to stay her house. My papa no, my daddy say no, somebody not to take her picking for her. My picking office stay my picking office stay really. I would, if I say I start to talk this story like me if it's now, if not now make I talk what I talk, like that's how I say I still talk about this thing, not be so, because if now Europe here, like this morning when I come sit down and they make video, since now I get video, maybe cooking video, anything, to they put herself on they do me like anything. That's make I put on today. Devil is a liar. I will get some cooking video self when I never put. I don't know what it's going to draw me back on this topic I want to talk, because it's very touching. Say small picking go, I will bring and come out as another talk, so they pop out for the screen, and I will see them as I will bring and come out, so the hand of the picking, and I will use myself put on me. I know the use person put on me. The picking hand, the madam and the baby, as them take this thing, why this thing take wrap am. Like, if na your own picking, no matter what your picking do say, you go try defend your picking, not to go talk less of another person picking. That is why you go treat am that way, not be so. If you know say you no go, like my husband, if I tell him finish, say that my auntie take do, you go tell you say you now they say do you like this, you fit take person. I tell her say, not be say I go do the person bad if I take person share, but I don't go feel talk person. I don't like it. Yeah, I don't like it. Even that my auntie husband, because of me, they quarrel my auntie say, and that my auntie became that big, oh, that he became that big. You don't tourish me then, but I take they go to let them do everything. The mama know they let the pikin do anything. Then the pikin, what the pikin they do now? If your mama come out, if they get mind, may she. They did her mind, make she do house choice, do all those things, but the mother will not allow the girl. Then if the mama come out, she go like put her clothes. She don't want her clothes to wet. Then she help me to clean some places. Before I go to school, I go bath, then do many things like na push it outside. You go be another story. Like you go just cut some more picking hand like that. It not make sense for Europe here. You know every field get house girl. Hey, now my sugar and I will come out before. I don't know, it's okay. I'll continue for what I told before. What this auntie go do every pay myself? Early the morning like this, all those things I don't work before I can't go school. Then if you still pack cloth come out, pack cloth come out like this, because now because of this house girl, this girl when they do like this, That is why I'm still talking part of my story. But if I say myself to the talk, as I stay there and everything and all of that, but it helped me, sure. But yes, it helped me. I show you my house this morning. I've cleaned everywhere. I don't wake up clean it. At times I can clean in the afternoon, in the evening, but I decided to do it this morning and make this video. Then I can rest maybe in the afternoon and some other time. Housework not my problem. I cannot tell you say the woman maltreats me. Say it helped me. Yes, it helped me to do anything. I have 3 children. It's not hard for me. It's not hard for me to do house chores or whatever. It's very simple for me because the way the woman treated me, it was not maltreat. But this is the most important thing I want to talk about. What the woman did, waiting that my auntie do. Go pack clock come out, the children clock go my own and go pack and come out. Your guy will go pack come out. If not me, me. Not be me. You know they there now. I know they do bad, but you know they there. That one are children's sense. Children's sense with that one. You go come pack clock come out like this, go give me better soap. But you know as women they so see. Please, now I beg on a fair before I go talk this one particular thing from my own side. When I just stay my sister house for those stay Benin for Obe, after Obe and Wuku for Santana Market side. We have first stay now. Sapile Road, kilometer 6. I be our church for those 2 kilometer 6. Winners Chapel. How they go for kilometer 6 from Sapile Road, why open? I they build the house, but we back go the house. Can you believe that the day when I tell them say now they go before they carry me go, another problem. The day when I go, that day they call cause the house one day before one whole day, but that new one will park come. Their own they never put one whole one. And when I won't go now they call one get one because they are jackie when they fresh water they do everything. Don't come out, they're not going to do the work now. Really helped me, sure. I'm very strong now, so I'm happy for that. There's nothing like that, like it will not mean anything. So this video when I talk, no, bad word not there inside. You feel shout to your children, even you yourself. You don't want to make. I want still do kind of like advice. You don't want to make your pikin go person has your pikin. They really they struggle. I won't go my auntie, I won't go my sister, I go stay. Really, it's not your sister. If you reach the house, you go to say go use you take turn to slave. Why your children go live there? Only you go want me do everything. Not be to housework self, not be bad thing. If they spoil your children. If you not want make children do the house choice, say make you they do the house work. Really they make you strong, okay? Please, wanna not go. And you, mama, even though say you the drink and picking, if you your mama they drink at the please follow your mama. And this girl hand for not come out. Really I could bring the girl comments and the hand and everything, the proof comments. The reason why I'm making this video, I'm going to bring everything out for you people to see what I'm talking about. The mama, you mama beg, if you know even any small thing when you get, just take your picking, because if your picking the person has like it's not easy for that child. They maltreat and all of that, and you small picking, your mama say not go. You say you won't go city because your sister they system you on a day village. When you take that village, it's better for you. When I come back, I screaming where people watch this video when know me, they will tell you. Mama started to cry self. I don't have rest of my cause. I don't like matric like that. So I'm saying I'm going to stop the topic because if I start to the talk and for the beginning to the end and everything, like I say everything cause I know they forget something. I remember something when I do as well. So if I start to talk everything as I say that my auntie has this video go too long now. You go come pack clock, come and pack your own. Your own. Can I make you wash all the clock? Pack my own, come and pack your children, come out. If mama did say you go tell me say me. You come carry better soap, come out. You can tell you wash your children own. You can carry soap that come out. What do you mean? You know if you buy better soap for me? You can't carry soda come and say, make I use soda to wash my clothes. Make I use better soap wash the children clothes. Unbelievable. I swear, please, not let your children go person house, okay? And this madam, when you cut person hand, like kind of, if anything when your picking go do, you not feel cut your picking hand. when you go call a person picking hand like that, as in when I take am easy now. A human being, no matter how the person do on has, you know, say you not go fit take person, not take. Yeah. This will wrap up my video. Thank you all for watching. God bless you all. Please, if you're in that kind of situations, no matter what, okay, no condition is permanent. No condition is permanent in this life. There is nothing that can make you to take your son or your daughter to somebody's house. Please look at my own part of the story I told you now, and one day I'll come out and do the video about how I stay my auntie's heart. But just take this one particular place thing that somebody can pack at her own clothes, pack at her children's clothes. My own clothes is there, the husband's clothes is there, then he will ask me to use better soap to wash the other's clothes and give me soda of 20 naira to wash my clothes. That is it. But enough felt me, kind of really make me strong, clean whole flat, do all those things, like all the whole compound. Let me the walk and weed down. That is it. I started to talk, I go too long. May God bless you all. Yes, you take this advice. Don't take your children to any madam. They are so wicked. Till I come your way next time. God bless you all my viewers. You that are watching me from northwest, from east, from start. God bless you all. Wherever you are watching, for your subscription. I say may God bless you all. I appreciate you. Like come your way next time. Bye bye.